Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to turn off the push notifications you have on your Chrome. Push notifications are alerts by Google when a website or app wants you to notify. So maybe you signed up a long time ago and you don't want to sign up anymore, or you don't want to get those notifications anymore. So you have to click here to go to the control panel. Then after that you have to click on the settings. Then you have to click on the privacy and security. Then click on the site settings. And then you have to scroll and click on the notifications. Here you will be able to see the websites you did not allow to send notifications. And on the bottom, you'll be able to see the ones you allowed. So let's say you don't want to receive notifications from this website anymore. So you just have to come here and select block. So it's been moved to the blocked list, so it won't be able to send you the notifications anymore. And if you want to unblock it again, you can just come here and select the allow. So this is how you delete or block the push notifications, because sometimes it can be very spammy. So if you like the video, please subscribe and thumbs up the video. Thanks a lot.